Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to sell something directly on a Copytweaker page. So you want to turn PayPal on with the toggle, and then to get your PayPal client ID and PayPal secret, that's what I'm actually just setting up right now, which I'll walk you through. So in order to have a PayPal business account, I clicked pay and get paid, and there's a process that'll prompt you and walk you through to enter all of your business details, which you need to set up. You can see I haven't finished setting up my bank account or anything yet. In order to sell something on that page, we need to go under business tools and scroll down until we find the API credentials. So click on that and get started. And then here you'll simply get a client ID. You copy and paste using the little piece there. Done. And then copy and paste the secret. Done. So when I click add now, it's got my PayPal client ID and PayPal secret to feed back and forth with PayPal in order to for me to actually receive a payment from somebody purchasing something off my site. And so here I can enter all the product details that I want to do. So for this particular funnel, I'm going to be selling a copy of my book, my parenting book. So I'll put in the product name and description, how much it costs, any details that I want to add there, and then I'll click add. And it's as straightforward as that. You can also add additional products if you want to sell more than one thing. Although I will note that from everything that I've learned about sales funnels particularly, part of the goal is to reduce decision fatigue. So only offering people one thing at a time. So trying not to add too many products if you can avoid doing so. And then create the sales funnel in a way that helps them make decisions along the way rather than trying to force them to choose between different things, because obviously that creates more decision fatigue. And yeah, that's everything. That's basically it for setting up PayPal. All you need to do is make sure you get to those API credentials, which again, based on the current PayPal we've got, the current version of PayPal when I record this is just under business tools.